How to transfer notes from Android to Android. So there are many ways in doing this method. So this method that I'm going to be showing you is via your Xiaomi account and via Google Keep. Now for Xiaomi, all you have to do is just simply open up your current notes and then head straight into the settings at the top right portion of your notes. In here, make sure that your cloud services on Xiaomi, the automatic sync is turned on under these notes right here. Now, once everything is synced, all you have to do is just to log in to your Xiaomi Cloud account to different Android device. Now, for Google Keep, all you have to do is to head into Google Play Store and just simply download Google Keep Notes. Download and install this, save all your notes from Google Keep, and then just simply log into a different Android device, which you can just have access on the same notes. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to transfer notes from Android to Android.